Okay, so here's my website. Here's a little bit about me. I want to teach second grade. I want to be able to inspire the young ones and help them to develop a creative eye to things. I hope one day to be as an effective teacher as the teachers I had and have the students look back upon my years as a good time in their life. Okay, my metaphor. For my metaphor, I looked at feelings about how I deal with school and how some others deal with school. Saying that some students had an easier time at school and others might have a difficult time. I definitely had a difficult time. I have a learning disability. It makes school really hard for me. I get discouraged easily. I don't do as well as others do. I'm the type of person to fall down a few times, and finding resources is always a hard thing to do, especially when you have to deal with going to school every day, and you always see those who can climb the mountain easily, and you're struggling to make it. For me, that mountain is school, and I know I'm not alone. The doctrine I chose was I know others need help. My motivation for going on is trying to help others get there and to not feel as alone as they used to. Teach them how to carry their trials and to have a sturdy ground and to be able to get back up when they need to. Yeah, friends are a good thing. They help you stay afloat. I never told any of my friends about my learning disability, and sometimes I wish I had, so they'd be able to help me make it through. They can be a good motivator for everything. So for my quotes, I was talking, I like the quote from Elliot Ruther, because it talks about how we have an adventure, and that even before we were born, we knew our adventure would be, and we were so excited about it. I like how he talks about when we're on our adventure, we figure out who we are, who God is, and how to deal with our life, even though we have trials and hardship, and it might not go how we thought it would. And I like the quote by Father Bednar. It was talking about how when we're just a little bit better every day, we make such an improvement. I thought that was cool. I thought it was interesting that the apostle would say that sometimes we can't give all we can give, and we don't think it's enough, but the Lord sees it as enough, and that really helps. And I like these talks a lot. They both talk about improving yourself, and they're not saying you have to be perfect to make it. You're learning about yourself every day, and trying to help others, and helping others is good because it gets you where you need to be, and you can serve others, which is what the Lord wants us all to do.